Yo, Alex here. As I continue my daily video deal, I thought I would do something a bit different today and give you a tour of my new Airbnb apartment in Tbilisi, Georgia. Now this is going to be my fourth apartment, my fourth Airbnb. I've been here for nearly 4.5 months now in total. And yeah, as I'm sharing a new video every day on YouTube, I thought I would mosey on along and start filming what we've got here in this new place. Maybe show you some items of kit lying about. So it's a lovely wooden floored apartment, nothing massive, but it's a lot bigger than the images and possibly videos suggest. Nice paintings on the wall. Over there is my makeshift office as I've just moved in. Nothing is very much in order yet. Crazy nice big gold sofa. This is my Timbuktu bag. Currently reading How to Invest in Real Estate by the great Grant Cardone, who seems to have his head screwed on when it comes to real estate and buying multi-family units to build wealth. This is a large 17-inch MacBook Pro. My Jolby Gorilla Pod tripod. My Rode on-camera mount microphone for my videos. This is my Sony a7 III camera for slightly higher quality videos that you see over at YouTube at Alex Mathers Films. There's my new iPad, which I use to draw pictures, and you can find my drawings, my daily drawings, these are not them, on my Instagram at what is my Instagram? It's Alex J Mathers, Mathers, on Instagram. Nice old-fashioned coat rack. I'm loving this door. It's just a metal sort of prison door. The furniture in here is to my liking. It's got a feminine touch, I suppose, but I like the vintage approach. Big old TV. Here's the kitchen. So we've got the main living room here, which is a nice space. Got the bedroom through there, so it's a sort of double single bed, two singles. Nice little room. It's right next to a fairly loud road, but the area is really beautiful, especially during this hot weather. There's a lot of sun in Georgia, very nice blue skies. There's a lot of protesting going on down the road. I don't know if you've been watching the news in Georgia, but there's a lot of disagreement with the Russian occupation, and things have been flaring up a little bit recently, and people have lost eyes in rubber bullet shootings from the police and so on. But it's, it's an exciting time to be alive. Here's the kitchen. This is a much better space than the previous. And if you want to see the last Airbnb tour of my last apartment, I didn't do the first two apartments, but the last one I did a tour, and you can find that on Alex Mathers Films on YouTube. This is the view from the back window. Excuse the mosquito net, but by the way, these nets they have over the windows are a lifesaver, because the last place had flies coming in and out as if it was no one's business. So that's a courtyard, not too loud. Decent little kitchen, fridge. What's Alex got in the fridge at the moment? Just a bit of water, that'll do. Salt and pepper, that's what keeps me going. I'm on a full-time fast at the moment, no food. Just joking, I'm gonna go and get some food later. Toilet, lovely, decent little shower. Don't want to show you much more in there. But that's really it, folks. Liking this light. Decent little chandelier. I know I'm going into detail here. I know it's a little bit of overkill in terms of showing you stuff, but I know that people like to watch this, including you, evidently. You're still hanging on here. Currently reading many books, actually. I've got hundreds of books on my Kindle, but Zorba the Greek is something that I picked up from one of Tim Ferriss's recommendations. It's one of his favourite books. I haven't started it yet. Decent little bed. I'm even quite impressed with the style of the duvet and the pillow covers. Liking that. Let's have a little glimpse outside if we can on the road here. Let's see if I can open this up. Now that's Masho's street art. I actually know her, so shout out to Masho Land if you're watching this. Yeah, we should definitely meet up, and I've been crap at organising that, but well done for putting your own art on that thing. And I've seen your art elsewhere, so that's all cool, man. All cool. I've got to be careful here I don't drop my phone, but it's a decent little area, nice little road, quiet, lots of trees, very leafy, nice cafes around, nice place to go down and get some work done. And that's it really, that's it from me signing out in a second. I mean, I'm trying to think of anything else to say. Basically, I'm going to be in Georgia for at least the next month. I keep extending my stay here because it's nice and cheap. This is setting me back less than $500 a month for this entire space. So, I mean, you can't really complain. You can't really ask more than that. And the location is very central. It's near to some really nice areas, some nice upmarket streets and malls and nice cafes. And I'm just enjoying this time here because it allows me to really focus and get down and dirty with some work. I'm writing a book at the moment. I've just finished off a new course. It's a 50 video strong course for people who want to improve their self-confidence, mainly aimed at you men who want to get out there and sort of get some desensitization to social interactions to help with confidence and business growth and all that kind of stuff. So keep posted on that. I'll be sharing more about all those updates on my YouTube and newsletter. If you go to alexmathers.net, you'll find updates on everything I'm working on. So if you're interested, stay posted. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments. Would you stay in a place like this? I want to know. Yes or no in the comments. Subscribe if you enjoyed this and you want to see more like this. Like, and I will see you soon.